Hey everybody, jumping in here today because I got brand new Arden Creative Studio here on the workspace. I got to share it with you because here's always the reason. You might already know this if you hang around the community a little bit. You might already know what my motive is. And my motive is that I am ready to build a class with this collection. And so in the meantime, I have to share all the goods before I tear into them. And tear into them I do. I have enjoyed Arden Creative Studio so much lately and just creating volumes of goodness. So let me push all the good stuff over to the side for a moment and let's look at this 12 by 12 pattern paper, which also includes some extras in the back, which of course I will show you. So this is a very gorgeous and beautiful collection. I've just literally briefly gone through it, and I did something to my paper there, but I don't think it's going to bother it. But anyway, so we are seeing pinks and beautiful florals, always with great distress. So like just deep patterns, because you're always going to find something else in the midst of this pattern. And very garden-esque. I mean, the name is Garden Chronicles. Yeah, Garden Chronicles. And so very floral. This is beautiful, beautiful for spring, for summer, for birthdays, for babies, for whatever. Got a very, very interesting diagonal here with this print on top, as well as kind of like underneath the stripes. It's pretty cool. And then with this great plaid that is backing that up. And look at this whole torn paper. Talk about paper assemblage, paper collage, which has been a hot commodity in this studio lately. So that's really fun. And I have to turn this one completely around. I'm not sure how well you can see this. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is like classic Katie. Just spectacular. I love it so much. That's going to be a hard one. I might just make myself break into that first because, you know, otherwise I'll be hoarding it. We got a gingham here. Great teals, great yellows. All the purples, the butterflies, the florals, the botanicals, the stamps, the watercolors, the postmarks, everything that you love about this style of making is found on these pages. This is just great, like kind of a watermark sort of, plus texture of script on here as well. So that's a really beautiful page. And again, with the text and the background imagery and a lovely pattern here. Floral pattern. So let's get through the rest of these and to the back page. Oh, look at that. Isn't that great? I just want to cut that out. I want to cut it out and color it. And then this page too I thought was great coloration and beautiful details on that. So then you get to the back and you have all these letter tags. Okay, so you have a full sheet of A through Z plus numbers, and you have 2 sheets, so that's pretty great. And then I'm so happy for all these labels right here, and just great journaling sentiments and phrases. And I cannot overestimate, is that how I want to say that? How fun these are for journaling prompts. And you get 2 full pages, and then you get these frames that are part of this. You get these nameplates and more nameplates. Yeah, pretty good. Deep in my soul, that's great. Okay, so of course, well, maybe not of course, but with the, yeah, here is what I want. With the 12 by 12 also comes the 6 by 8. All right, so we have pretty similar, smaller format. That one's a little different. This one was a black and white inside the 12 by 12, and here it's a purple. This one's a little different from what the 12 by 12 offers. So just some slightly different offerings in here, and always with the smaller formatting of the details. Oh, it's even great in the 6 by 8. And so we go to the back, and we have tickets, ephemera pieces, quotes, sentiments. We have these cards here. Oh, and look at all this. And they're backed up. Butterflies, more florals. Oh, that's great. Fun, fun stuff. Okay, so let's look at the decoupage paper here real quick. Okay. So beautiful already. Super beautiful. Oh my goodness. I had an idea for this one paper in here. Let's get to it. So that is fantastic. Love the background, that whole old paper background. Oh, then you get the diagonal and this. Isn't that great? I got an idea for that. Oh, and the torn paper. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, so that's your decoupage paper. But then there's another paper. It's called, this is Vintage Makers Ledger Essentials. So this here is just what it says. It's some heavy ledgering. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sort of quiet because I don't even know what to say. I love it. Beautiful vintage vibe. Don't you love that? Oh, the things we can make. This one's really good with that floral in the background. And that too. Oh, I love that. Okay, and then also you have more die cuts here in the back. Lots of sentiments, joy in the little things. You betcha. You betcha. Creative, amazing. That's beautiful. Great, great words and gorgeous tags. You got plain tags waiting for rub-ons, stamping, your own journaling. Oh, and look at the back of them. These tags here. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, I love the options here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, let's look at the laser cuts, because laser cuts are our friends, and there's quite a few botanicals in this too, which I'm super quick. Don't know about you, super quick to use the botanicals. Talk about magic. Laser cut botanical florals, butterflies, they truly are magic and magical. Then you have all the things we love here, all the beautifulness in the ability to layer with the tags and big tags, more butterflies, postage, tickets, words, ephemera. Lovely, lovely. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about breaking into here. Okay, we have 2 more products, and then we have stamps and, what's it called? Stamps and a stencil. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's see here. Okay. More botanicals in this rub-on. And just wait. Don't leave yet. I got more to show you. These are absolutely gorgeous. Painterly, ethereal, paint splotches. Then you have these partial kind of adverts, but you got florals in here. This is so lovely. You got 2 of those. Then you have texting. I don't mean texting like, I mean text work, script work, ledger work, numbers, all in this whole black and white, and then some. Wow, isn't that great? This one's called Essentials. Yes, they are. So you get 4 designs, 2 sheets each. You get a total of 8 sheets of these rub-ons. Holy mother of rub-ons. Okay. This is just called Garden Chronicles. Let me see something here. Yeah, just called Garden Chronicles. So, a lot, of course, of the patterning and designs that we have from the collection, from the papers. Oh, yay for paint splotches. Love that. Oh, and then you get this old paper vibe too. That is gorgeously fantastic. Can you see that there? Can you appreciate what's going on there with that design? Okay, well, if you can't, then just pick up the rub-on transfer set, Garden Chronicles. Okay, we're almost to the mixed media stuff. Oh, we have a Garden Chronicles sticker book. All right, then, let's crack this baby open. gonna lay this down. Let me get this out of the way. No distractions here. No distractions here. Oh wait, don't let me forget that too. Okay, so 5 designs, 2 pages each. Oh man, this is like a washi tape finish. And then you have a, no, I take that back. Wait, what's going on? Okay, washi tape. This is like a clear. Obviously, you can kind of see. Oh, that's cool. Then this same thing. And by washi tape, I mean it's not cardstock and it's not paper. It's a bit see-through. So that's really, really fun. And there's one of that. There's 2 of that, because you have it here in the see-through. Then all of these sentiments that are beautiful. And then you have these ledger and tape pieces. Same thing. Same medium. The 2 different mediums. And then a black and white, which is always so much fun. All right, that is very exciting. Okay, let's look at this pet tape. It's ledger continuous. Okay. Can you see that? It's just what it says. It's a ledger continuous. It has ink splotches. It has the ledger lines, and it just repeats. So I'm sorry that is not. Let me see what I got here. What can I use? Let's use this. That's a little better. All right. So that's super cool. All right, so let's finish up. Now, there's 2 more things I want to show you. I want to show you the Make series that complements this collection. You have this Flourish Lattice stencil. We have Chronicle Remnants, okay? Lots of butterfly details, more ledger, more ticketing, some larger numbers. That's pretty cool. We have Fine Ferns. So you have a lot of fern work. Obviously, you have some great sentiments, and you have some single stems too that are really, really beautiful. Then you also have My Flowers, okay? And I don't know what exactly to call this. It's kind of, it reminds me of some of the Spectrum collections from the past. So you have 2 parcels of that. You have more florals. You have the word My and flowers in kind of a calligraphy type hand. Okay, now there's something else I want to share with you though. Okay, let me share with you the Lindy's. This is exclusive, not exclusive. It's specifically, there we go, Garden Chronicle colors. So you have Vintage Vines, you have Peony Pink Party, you have Daffodil Drama, and Teal Trellis Tales, as well as there's a 5th one. This one's called Violet Bloom Banter. And so let me share with you the colors that I have here. So this is the Daffodil Drama. And I just did these on some watercolor paper. And if you can tell, there's a beautiful sparkle with them. This is Violet Bloom Banter. This is Peony Pink Party. This is Teal Trellis Tales. And then the Vintage Vines, which I think is a really, really cool shade. And just to kind of give you some idea, I've just been playing with some mixed media backgrounds. This is the Peony Pink, and it's mixed in with some white acrylic paint. And it really, look how much it tones it down with that white. It kind of looks purpley to me in the screen, but it's actually very pink. And then this is just a montage of all the colors, probably pretty light on the yellow, the Daffodil Drama, but you just get an idea there. Again, this is all on watercolor paper, just plain, which I always encourage. So watch for a class. The date will probably be June, and we will be using, fairly exclusively, this new collection, Garden Chronicles. I'd love to see you in class. Let me know if you have any questions, any thoughts, any comments. I'd love to hear them all. And I will see you in the next video.